Very good morning to all. Respected Reverend Father GGP Abraham, Director MBCCET, Dr. Pradeep C, Principal MBCCET, Mr. K. Abraham, Bursar MBCCET, Mr. MP Eldos, IAI Local Chapter Cochin, Mr. Edin Michael, Research Associate IIT Hyderabad, our keynote speaker, Dr. Roja Abraham Raju, HOD, Mechanical Engineering Department, MBCCET. I welcome you all to NCAME 20. I am Dr. Abdul Rahman K, Assistant Professor and Coordinator, NCAME 20. I would like to mention Assistant Professor Anu Nair, also Coordinator of NCAME 20 for his support and help. And I thank Dr. Roja for his guidance and I welcome them too. Also, I would like to mention all the mechanical engineering staffs for the help in smooth reviewing process and handling other conference related work. Assistant Professors Manigandan S, Sunil Dutt, Ashif S, Rogin Matthews, Ebi Elias, Biju Chaco, Febin Felix, Libin V. Cora. I welcome you all also to NCME 20. Now I would like to mention the external panel members for their reviewing help. Dr. Pradeep B, Professor, Government Engineering College, Kozhikode. Dr. Srijit S, Project Scientist, IIT Kanpur. Dr. E.W. Avin, Project Head, IIT Madras. I welcome them too. Finally, I welcome the most important, the participants. I sincerely welcomes you to NCME 20. Last year, in this period, our department have conducted the national conference successfully and this was the motivation to continue the conference this year too. As this helps our students to get to know the recent research and project activities. Not only that, this is a platform for external participants too in the same way. It is very important to share the knowledge and learn new information from others for the individual and societal improvements. Due to COVID-19 lockdown, we were forced to conduct the conference through online platforms. This year also, we have invited papers from the field CAM, additive manufacturing, materials and composites, CFD, modeling and simulation, thermofluids and energy, automotive engineering. Since January, we have started calling for the papers to our conference and we have received more than 60 abstracts to the conference from different fields. Out of this, we have received 48 registrations. Thus, to this conference, a wide range of knowledge have been added. Thanks to all participants for that. Participants' project or work videos which was uploaded to Google Classroom is reviewed by internal and external reviewers. Marks will be allotted and best paper will be awarded specifically based on the suggestions from the external panel members. Dear participants, please keep visiting the website NCME MBC. Points will be published online. Certificates and proceedings will be provided online from May 8 onwards. We, the MBC family, are very happy to help you in this condition the way we can, and we hope you didn't find this so difficult. And also, we expect further that you will submit your future works to our next edition of conference also. And finally, wish you all the best and thanks to all the participants, Mechanical Engineering Department faculties, MBC College, Principal and Director for their well wishes. And I conclude the welcoming addresses. Thank you.
Very good morning, dear researchers. I would like to welcome all academicians and young researchers to our second National Conference on Advances in Mechanical Engineering, NCAME 20, coordinated in association with Institution of Engineers India. NCAME is a conference hosted by Mechanical Engineering Department of Mar Baselius Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Pyramid, annually. Through this conference, we would like to engage with all of you in an open and constructive dialogue about the recent researches in various specializations of mechanical engineering. This conference aims to share an insight into the recent research and cutting edge technologies, which gains immense interest with the colossal and exuberant presence of adepts, young and brilliant researchers, and talented student communities. This conference covers very global aspects of mechanical engineering, from very fundamental issue to practical applications. Anyone interested in future research progress should not miss this opportunity. I would like to take this opportunity to thank MBC College Management, especially our President, His Holiness Basilios Marthoma Paulus II, Director, Very Reverend Father GGP Abraham, Principal Dr. Pradeep C., and Bursar Mr. K. Abraham for their valuable supports and guidance. I express my sincere gratitude to Institution of Engineers Kochi, Engineer V. Vijay Chandran, Council Member, IEI Kolkata, Engineer T.P. Ravindran, Chairman IEI Kochi, Mr. M.P. Eldos, Honorable Secretary IEI Kochi, for their support and cooperation for this conference. I would like to thank the keynote speaker, Mr. Edin Michael, Research Associate, IIT Hyderabad, for accepting our invitation to handle the technical section online. Also, I would like to appreciate the efforts taken by the organizing secretaries of this conference, Dr. Abdul Rahman and Mr. Anu Nair P., in organizing this conference in an online mode due to the pandemic situations which we are facing now. I congratulate all young researchers for your commitment and active participation and wish you all the success. Thank you for your attention.
A warm good morning to all. It is the first time in the history of MBC we are conducting an online national conference. I'm very happy to say that we are conducting this national conference in association with the Institution of Engineers of India. Circumstances forced us to keep physical distance. That is why we have now online classes and online conferences. And this conference is a common platform for the researchers to share their knowledge and learn new things. During the time of this COVID and this pandemic, the whole world is looking at researchers for a new vaccine to prevent the spread of this dangerous epidemic. In short, researchers are the need of the time. Unfortunately, our universities and colleges and schools are only the centers of mere memorizing of what they're being taught in the class instead of creating new knowledge. I hope this conference will create an atmosphere of research mind in all the participants, especially among the students. With gratitude, I do appreciate the initiative taken by our beloved Dr. Roja Abraham, who is the convener of this conference, and the efforts made by our organizing secretaries, Dr. Abdul Rahman and Professor Ann Nair P., and also our most respected principal, Dr. Pradeep Sir. The scholarly papers going to be submitted by the scholars may fulfill our dream to encourage researchers and their activities among scientists, engineers, professionals, and students. On behalf of our Honorable President, His Holiness Basilios Marthoma Paulus II, the Catholicos of the East and the Supreme Head of the Orthodox Church, and I, as the Director of MBC, we pray for the success of this conference and declare the conference opened. Thank you very much.
My dear fellow colleagues, researchers, participants, and students, as the principal of the host institution of the Second National Conference NCME 2020, I would like to express my deepfelt gratitude to all interested academicians and researchers who directly or indirectly involved in organizing this conference. As you all know that this conference was not originally planned for online or virtual. But as the coronavirus pandemic has shut the world down like nothing we have ever seen before, the organizers have only two choices: postpone it or convert it to an online conference. So I think they have chosen the best one, since now all around the world, engineers, scientists and medical professionals are making superhuman efforts at fighting back against COVID-19. Every day there are thousands of collaborative engineering efforts are taking place, that is from 3D printed masks to the mechanical ventilators. So the topic of this conference, additive manufacturing, materials and composites, modeling and simulation are becoming more relevant. I hope engineering community, especially mechanical engineers, can do a remarkable contribution to fight against this outbreak. I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of mechanical engineering department of MBCCET Pyramid for organizing such a wonderful conference. And I wish all the participants a wonderful conference day. Thank you.
Dear distinguished engineers, a warm welcome to all. First of all, I wish to appreciate the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Mar Baselios Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Kuttikanam, Pyramid, for organizing a national conference on advances in mechanical engineering in association with the Institution of Engineers India, Kochi Local Center. As all of us are aware of the present pandemic situation that the world faces, COVID-19, the organizers are well planned on their program scheduled and switched over to the new online platform, adapting the situation and the need of our well. The conference is being well attended by a number of participants from various locations. As organizers provide a common platform by way of the conferences for sharing knowledge and learning about the various advanced aspects in the field of mechanical engineering, my humble advice to the participants is to make use of the conference platform for exploiting in acquiring more skill and advances in the relevant field of engineering and utilize the knowledge so acquired for the growth of nation and social development. As a present pandemic situation, we the engineers have to utilize our role in the war against the COVID-19. We can expand the equipments, telecommunications, internet facilities, and various other means to beat the spreading of the pandemic. I certainly hope that this conference will provide light to more areas of expertise so as to expand your thinking and knowledge pertaining to the sciences under mechanical engineering. I request all the engineers shall be keen in helping the nation and authorities concerned during the pandemic era and should make a war with COVID-19 using and promoting the equipments like masks, PPEs, social distancing, sanitizing, hand wash, etc. As the capacity of Honorary Secretary of the Institution of Engineers India Kochi Local Center, I wish all the success to the conference. Once again, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciations to the organizers as well as the participants. Stay safe, be healthy, keep social distancing. Thank you.
Good morning to everybody. I am very happy to be a part of this national conference. This program may be of its first one in the history of our college. I hope that the goal of this program will be to reform the ideas in the existing scenario to suit the present situation and to encourage the academic and industrial interactions in and among the students, scientists and engineers. I expect that high quality research papers will be presented by eminent personalities in this conference. College management always support this type of national conferences. A conference will end in success only when the goal is attained. The whole world is in the midst of a great pandemic. We are trying to overcome the crisis. When air around us is pure, we are wearing masks. Even though roads are empty, we cannot enjoy a long drive. We have clean hands, but there is ban on shaking hands. We wish to be in the college for our regular classes but couldn't. We have to find a way to overcome the present state of affairs. Please examine what science and technology can contribute. Let me thank you all who have their contributions for the success of this program. Thank you.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. പീരുമേട് മാർ ബസേലിയോസ് ക്രിസ്ത്യൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് കോളേജിൻ്റെ മെക്കാനിക്കൽ വിഭാഗത്തിൻ്റെ രണ്ടാമത് നാഷണൽ കോൺഫറൻസ് നടത്തപ്പെടുകയാണ്. നാഷണൽ കോൺഫറൻസ് ഓൺ അഡ്വാൻസ് ഇൻ മെക്കാനിക്കൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എന്ന വിഷയം ആസ്പദമാക്കി IIT ഹൈദരാബാദിലെ റിസർച്ച് അസോസിയേറ്റ്സ് ആണ് ക്ലാസുകൾ നയിക്കുന്നത്. മെക്കാനിക്കൽ BTech MTech വിഭാഗത്തിലുള്ള വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും അധ്യാപകർക്കുമൊക്കെ ഈ കോൺഫറൻസിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ നല്ല റിസർച്ചുകൾ ഗൂഗിൾ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിൽ അയക്കുകയും അത് വാല്യൂ ചെയ്ത് എന്നാൽ മറ്റുള്ള റിസർച്ചുകൾ കാണത്തക്ക രീതിയിൽ ഏറ്റവും ഭംഗിയായ തരത്തിൽ വളരെ നൂതനമായ ഒരു ആവിഷ്കാരമാണ് നമ്മുടെ മെക്കാനിക്കൽ വിഭാഗം തയ്യാറാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. എല്ലാവരും വളരെ ശ്രദ്ധയോടുകൂടെ വളരെ താല്പര്യത്തോടുകൂടെ ഈ കോവിഡ് കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ പ്രത്യേകമായിട്ട് ഈ കോൺഫറൻസിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത് ഇതിനെ വിജയിപ്പിക്കണമെന്ന് പ്രത്യേകമായിട്ട് ഓർപ്പിക്കുന്നു. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ പീരുമേട് മാർ ബസേലിയോസ് ക്രിസ്ത്യൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് കോളേജിൻ്റെ രണ്ടാമത് നാഷണൽ കോൺഫറൻസിന് എല്ലാ വിജയ ആശംസകളും നേരുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു.
A warm welcome to everyone. It has been our pleasure to host all the participants of the conference at MBC CET. The participants were very enthusiastic. I am thankful to all the participants for presenting your paper in our conference. We have been fortunate to have some of the eminent persons from academia, industry and utility working in the field of mechanical engineering. I am sure that the participant must have benefited by attending this conference. I am very much thankful to Institution of Engineers, Kochi local chapter of this conference. Without their generous support, it would not have been possible to organize this conference. I am sure that NCME will continue to get generous support from various organizations in the future also. I am thankful to the college management members for giving us the opportunity to hold NCME 20 at MBC CET. I would like to extend our sincere thanks to Father GGP Abraham for giving us an opportunity to organize this event at MBC CET. Thank you, Father. I also wish to express my gratitude to our principal, Dr. Pradeep C, for continuous support and advices which have greatly helped towards the successful organization of NCAME 20. Thank you, sir. I am grateful to our boss, sir, K.A. Abraham, sir, for inspiring us to organize this event at MBC CET. Thank you, sir. I sincerely thanks to our beloved HOD, Dr. Roja Abraham Raju, for their valuable suggestion and support to make this conference grand success. Thank you, sir. I sincerely thank to Edin Michael, Research Associate, Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, for enthusiastic participation in the conference as a keynote speaker. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I take this opportunity to thank all the reviewers and technical committee members for providing their valuable comments in time and help towards the improvement of quality of papers presented in the conference. As no event can successful with a single person, So I would like to extend the sincere thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff members of Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am also thankful to the volunteers who have greatly helped us in organizing this conference. On our part, we have also made sincere effort to enhance the quality of the conference. In this regard, we have taken some new initiatives such as we have introduced an invited technical talk section from reputed institutes like IIT, NITs, etc. This year, all the accepted paper will be sent for the inclusion in Institution of Engineers Springer C series so that the researchers from worldwide will be benefited from these papers. This year onwards, 2 awards have been introduced for the best papers presented in the conference, one for the postgraduate scholar and other for the undergraduate scholars. I once again thank everyone whose contribution has made this conference a successful event. Thank you everyone.